Okay, so the hair that I'm going to be using is the Outre Premium Pack Brazilian Boutique. Okay, so right now I'm just lining up the closure so I can see exactly where I'm going to be sewing on the dome cap. I'm just sewing on each side of the closure before I sew on the back of the closure. Here I'm just sewing on the other side of the closure. So now I'm going to be sewing on my first bundle. I actually decided to single weft the hair instead of double wefting it because I didn't know if I was going to run out of hair. So this is how the hair looks with only one bundle in. It looks pretty thick to me. So this is how it looks with the second bundle in. Oh, and as I was sewing it, I made sure that I sewed them very close together. So now I'm just going in with my last bundle.
Alright, so this is the finished look of this wig. What I could say about this hair is that it really feels like yaki hair that you would buy at your local beauty supply store. I'm really satisfied with this hair. Like, these 3 bundles, and they are really thick, you guys. They are really super duper thick. You see how thick it is? Also, I did not pluck my closure at all. Even though it looks really fake and really wiggy, I didn't want to pluck it because I wanted you guys to see how it looks at its natural state on your head, and done. So I can pluck it and style it after. For 3 bundles and a closure, like, that is a deal. If you need some quick weave, well, mine wasn't quick because I sewed it, but if you need some quick weave and you got somewhere to go, like, this is it. You can also wear this closure as a side part or a middle part. I wanted to be like the model and I wanted to wear as a middle part. I really like the middle part look. In the packaging, they also have tips and tricks, and it tells you what you can do to your hair, how you can style it. You can also use a little bit of heat on this hair, not too much, probably 100-200 degrees Fahrenheit. I didn't straighten this hair yet because I wanted you guys to see the hair at its natural state. I think that this hair is available in 5 colors, but I got the jet black color. I'm pretty sure there's a blonde, there's a burgundy one as well. Well, I'm gonna link this hair down below so you can check that out on their website. The texture doesn't feel too yaki to me, and I'm not getting much shedding at all. I only got, okay, one strand right here, one strand. And while I was sewing it, I would get like a few strands, but nothing too crazy because this hair already comes full on its own, so a couple of strands wouldn't hurt. Overall, I give this hair a 5 out of 5 stars. For the price, $24.99 for 3 bundles and a closure, I think this hair is bomb. I really would definitely order it again. I really recommend you guys to order this hair. Give me a thumbs up if you guys agree as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video.